Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add beats on your video by Capcut application on your iOS or iPhone. So here I already have the application open, and let's choose one project. I already have one clip and one audio here. Let's have a look first. Okay, so we can add beat to make us easier to edit the audio or the transitions of the video that we have. So first thing we're gonna do, if you want to add beat on the video that have no sounds on it, we can just click the clip until it is in active mode, and please take a look on this features button here, and please slide into the left side the features until we found a beats tool. Okay, the beats tool is symbolized by a flag here. Then just click beats, and now we can add our own beats here. I already add several beats. If you want to remove, just click delete, but if you want to add the beats, we can just adjusting the positions of the video by playing it. Okay, if you want to add beat here, just click add beat. If you want to remove the beats, just delete the beats. And after you're done, you just need to click this check button. But if you want to add beats from the audio, you can just click the audio section until it is in active mode like that. And then after that, please take a look on the features button. Here they also have a beat tools, and you can auto generate the beats, or you can add the beats by yourself, but just like previously. So that's how the way you add the beats on the video or the audio by Capcut application. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.